So as we round out the first month of 2022 here, you may want to really focus on some certain things to keep your year of abundant health kind of flowing, because you might be losing some steam here. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you set those SMART goals. Keeping those goals in mind will help keep you striving in reaching them. The second thing you can do is you want to take daily proactive steps to make sure you're reaching these things. They say motion is life. So proper exercise, proper motion is key to living your best life. Part of that motion, there are 3 different types that we want to focus on to make sure that you're moving properly. The first one being is segmental. That's how the different bones in your neck and your back move on one another. The second is regional. That is your cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral, neck, mid-back, lower back, and tailbone. The third is whole body. That's with the neck, the back, everything, and your upper extremities. Now you want to make sure, starting with the segmental, how each little one is moving properly builds on one before it. Because if you don't have that going on, if it's not moving like it should, you're going to have overcompensation. You're going to have overloading of certain joints in particular, which can increase your risk for injury, which is not what we want. We want to make sure you keep moving every single day, because that daily motion helps to make sure that you're feeling better, not only physically, but your brain it's sharper, it's more focused, because the motion, research shows, daily motion, daily exercise helps to increase your focus, helps to make sure it's working better. That being said, if you ever come across a time when you injure yourself, you're not feeling great, something happened, that's what we do here. I'll be happy to take care of you. Have a good day, you guys.